feet inside the vehicle. Face forward or head against the headrest, and hold on to your left arm at all times. Thank
Are you insane? Get out of here! The curse is real! This whole place is a trap! He's after your soul! The man tried to reach the only hope!
Silence! With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity. Eternity. Serve me and savor riches beyond measure. Not even the Magi can save you now. There is no escape. Your end shall be my beginning. Self, behold your fate. Your destiny. Your souls are mine. To conquer your souls.
Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I enjoyed this interview a lot more if I had gotten my cup of coffee! Thank you.
With that baby drop.
Hey, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I enjoyed this interview a lot more if I